In this video, I'm going to show you how to deep clean around a refrigerator. We just had a tenant move out and it was kind of a long stay, so I need to do some deep cleaning before I have another tenant come in. So I'm going to pull this refrigerator out and see what we're dealing with. Ugh. Looks like chocolate milk or pudding. And I got this residue on the side. Let's see, the top is just a little bit dusty. There goes my artwork. Okay, so I got some residue on the side I need to get cleaned up, and need to sweep up and start cleaning and mopping this. Looks like there's a lot of food and debris. Yuck. All right, first step, I mixed up some cleanser spray. I like to use this Fabuloso cleaner. It's concentrated and it works really well. Okay, cleaning up nicely so far. I got some of these stubborn dark streaks along the refrigerator though. So what I like to do when this happens is I saturate it with the cleaner, and then I have a scrubber, metal bristle scrubber, and you gotta be real careful not to scratch it, but apply enough pressure so that it can start to remove these streaks. And you can see the streak is now gone. I'm gonna do the same thing for this streak right here. As I pull out a little bit, you can kind of see it's clean in the middle, but then there's those streaks on the left as I work my way up. So I'm gonna scrub all of those. Okay, about 5 or 10 minutes later, I got the side of the fridge nice and clean. I got all of those marks off. They're on there pretty good. So using this steel scrubber helped a lot with the spray. I do see some damage on the side right here. That's unfortunate, but that's kind of where we're left with. That's kind of what we're left with. So now I'm going to pull it out further and then deal with this mess back here. It's crazy people can live like this. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and scoop this up. Okay, got everything picked up. So now I'm gonna saturate this spill with the cleaner, get the baseboards wet. Let this sit for a few minutes and then it'll scrape up. Dry the baseboards, get the hairs and the debris off. There we go. All right, a couple minutes later, we're looking much better. Okay, that was pretty gross, but it's important to do that kind of stuff when you have tenants move out and you're about to bring a new person in. You really want to give them a good experience, and if you have that kind of stuff underneath the refrigerator, you're really not treating your people right. So make sure you do this kind of stuff every time, because there are always surprises underneath appliances. So this is what I'm left with. It looks real clean in there now, and I got the side of the fridge clean. I'm gonna clean the top and then look at the other side as well. And here is the other side of the refrigerator. Not bad at all, which I'd expect since it's on the side of the wall. So glad to see that. All right, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm feeling much better about this now. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this refrigerator back in. Can't quite yet. And I'm gonna plug this back in. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.